Hey there, it's Sarah. Are you wanting some tips on flirting to add to your toolbox? Today we're going to tackle straightforward flirting methods tailored for older men. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with practical ways to enhance your dating life. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. To get advice for making your flirtations more effective and engaging, stay tuned for that. Before we jump into today's topic, take a moment to think about your love life. Want some expert help? Click the link in the description or pinned comment for a free strategy session with one of our team. 1. Acknowledge the age difference. When it comes to flirting with younger women, the age gap is not just a number. It's a reality that can work to your advantage if you handle it correctly. First off, owning up to the age difference shows a level of confidence and self-awareness that's genuinely attractive. It's about stepping into the conversation with a playful acknowledgement of the obvious. You could make a light comment like, "Well, I might have a few years on you, but I promise I'm up to date with more than just classic rock." What this does is remove any awkwardness right from the start, making room for genuine, relaxed interaction. Think of it as a way to clear the air, making sure that you're both on the same page. It's an approach that respects both your maturity and her youth, which is a great foundation for any flirtatious exchange. By addressing the age gap, you're also subtly reassuring her that you are comfortable in your own skin and that you value transparency. This approach not only eases any potential tension, but also adds a layer of sincerity to your interactions. Remember, your experience and the stories you can share are attractive attributes. By acknowledging the age difference, you can transition into discussions that highlight your strengths without seeming pretentious. It sets the stage for a connection that appreciates contrast and cherishes authenticity, turning the age gap from a potential hurdle into an asset. 2. Show your maturity. When you bring maturity to the table, you're not just talking about your years. You're showcasing your ability to handle situations with calm and insight. This includes offering sound advice when she seeks it and remaining emotionally stable, even in potentially high-stress or complex situations. Think about it this way. Your experiences have given you a toolkit for navigating life's ups and downs, which can be incredibly reassuring to someone younger. It's about being the person she can rely on to not make a mountain out of a molehill. And it's not about having all the answers, but knowing how to react responsibly to questions and challenges. Your maturity also means you understand the importance of genuine compliments, listening intently, and responding thoughtfully. These are signs of emotional maturity that can make younger women feel appreciated and respected. Rather than focusing on superficial details, your conversations can delve deeper, exploring interests and values that build a stronger connection. Let your maturity shine through as a blend of wisdom and emotional intelligence, which not only makes you appealing but also makes her feel secure and valued. This isn't about age. It's about the quality of interaction you bring to every conversation, making her look forward to every moment she spends with you. 3. Engage in playful teasing. This is an art form that brings a lighthearted spirit to flirting, making it both fun and memorable. When done right, teasing can spice up your interactions, creating a jovial connection that's both engaging and respectful. The key here is to keep things amusing without crossing the line into insensitivity. Start with something simple and upbeat, perhaps a gentle ribbing about a shared situation or a playful observation that makes her smile. For example, if she's indecisive about ordering dessert, you might quip, "Trying to decide if you have room for dessert? I thought deciding on Netflix shows was tough." This kind of teasing shows you're paying attention in a way that's lighthearted and fun. The secret is in the delivery. Maintain a warm tone and a smiling face to ensure your intentions are understood as playful. It's about making her laugh, not making her uncomfortable. This establishes a dynamic of ease and comfort, where she feels safe to tease back. The back-and-forth banter that develops from this can help deepen your connection, making each interaction something she looks forward to. Remember, the goal of your teasing should always be to entertain and delight, not to criticize or embarrass. By focusing on topics that are light and universally relatable, you ensure that the teasing remains within the bounds of good humor and taste. This approach not only makes your interactions enjoyable, but also shows that you are capable of engaging in the kind of witty exchange that many find irresistibly attractive. 4. Display confidence and leadership. It not only highlights your experience, but also shows that you are capable of making thoughtful and assertive choices. This is particularly attractive when you're engaging with younger women, who often appreciate the security and decisiveness that come with mature leadership. Take the initiative in planning outings and making decisions. For example, rather than the open-ended, "Where would you like to go?" try suggesting a specific place or activity. You could say, How about we check out that new Italian restaurant downtown this Friday? I hear their pasta is phenomenal. This shows that you've put thought into the suggestion and are confident enough to make a decision. When you take charge in a considerate way, it reassures her that you're thoughtful about her interests while being decisive. It's about finding that balance where your suggestions reflect both of your tastes and show that you're keen to make the experience enjoyable for both of you. Being a leader isn't just about making decisions. It's also about listening and adapting to her responses. If she suggests an alternative, show flexibility and incorporate her preferences. This adaptability demonstrates that your leadership style is inclusive and respectful, which is key to maintaining a healthy and engaging relationship dynamic. By consistently showing that you can lead with confidence and consideration, you create a dynamic where she feels both excited and secure in your company. This doesn't just make planning smoother, it makes every interaction with you something to look forward to. If these dating tips are helping you, imagine what a personalized strategy session could do. Click the like button, drop us a comment, and don't forget to book your free strategy call to discover how to meet more women and date with assurance. The link is in the pinned comment. 5. Initiate appropriate physical contact. Initiating appropriate physical contact can significantly deepen the connection between you and a younger woman when handled with care and respect. It's about using touch to communicate your interest and presence, not just your words. Casual, respectful touches like a gentle hand on the back as you guide her through a doorway, or a playful nudge during a joke, are subtle yet powerful ways to strengthen your bond. These gestures should feel natural and timed well within your interaction to ensure they are received as intended. For instance, a light touch on the arm when laughing together at a joke can break down barriers and increase comfort levels. It's these small moments that subtly enhance the warmth and closeness between you. Be mindful of her reactions to your touches. Positive responses such as a smile, a reciprocal touch, or her closing the distance are good indicators that your advances are welcome. Conversely, if she seems uncomfortable or steps back, respect her space and adjust accordingly. Incorporating touch in this thoughtful manner shows that you are attentive and attuned to the nuances of personal interaction. It's not just about physical contact, it's about demonstrating empathy and understanding towards her comfort and boundaries. By mastering the art of appropriate touch, you communicate a level of sophistication and care that can make you more appealing. It shows you're not just interested in a superficial connection, but are capable of communicating affection and assurance through your actions, making each encounter with you reassuring and memorable. 6. Cultivate a sense of mystery and surprise. This can make the process of getting to know you an exciting and intriguing experience for a younger woman. It's not about playing games or being elusive. It's about gradually revealing the layers of your life and personality. This approach keeps the interaction dynamic and engaging, prompting her curiosity about who you are. Instead of laying all your cards on the table right away, share stories and details about yourself bit by bit. This method of slow revelation invites her to be more attentive and invested in your conversations. For example, mention a hobby or a travel experience briefly in one conversation and then expand on it in another. This not only keeps her interested, but also shows that your life is rich with stories and experiences. Planning small surprises can also add an element of unpredictability that keeps your interactions fresh. These don't have to be grand gestures. It could be as simple as taking her to a new and unexpected place, or revealing a hidden talent at an unexpected moment. This strategy not only maintains her interest, but also builds anticipation for future interactions. Each conversation or date becomes a chance to uncover more about the unique person you are, which can make the relationship more exciting and fulfilling. Bonus tip: encourage adventure and spontaneity. Encouraging adventure and spontaneity adds an exciting layer to dating that many younger women find appealing. Showing that you're not just set in your ways but are open to spontaneous experiences demonstrates a youthful spirit that can be very attractive. It's all about suggesting unconventional dates that break away from the typical dinner and a movie scenario. Think along the lines of a surprise weekend getaway, a mystery dinner where you don't reveal the restaurant until you arrive, or even something as simple as a spontaneous road trip to a nearby city or natural attraction. This approach to dating injects fun and unpredictability into your interactions, making each moment together an adventure. It's not just about doing something new, but about sharing these fresh experiences together, which can intensify your connection. For example, attending a live music event in a genre you both have never explored or signing up for a quirky workshop can create shared memories and stories. The key is to keep her guessing and excited about what's coming next. This not only makes the relationship exciting, but also shows that you value enjoyment and living life to the fullest. By incorporating spontaneity and adventurous outings into your dating life, you communicate that you are engaging and dynamic, qualities that are attractive at any age. So now you know the easiest ways to flirt with younger women. What's next for you? Discover fascinating places where women want to be touched, or learn 20 signs a younger woman is thinking about you sexually. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.